Feel like your dowsing isn't working with your intuition? Here's a video to help you correct that. Hi there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Master Dowser, with another quick tip to help you improve your dowsing and your path to dowsing mastery yourself. I'd like to talk about compatibility factors and levels in dowsing. All that means is, if we're 100% compatible with something, it's just like the greatest connection, right? And that's what you want. And I would say if you can dowse at least a bit by now, all you have to do is just ask, is my intuition 100% compatible to tap into via my dowsing? Okay, so that's a no answer. This is a yes answer. That's my dowsing method. Use your own. So normally I would ask, why not? I would ask, are there fears? Is there something inside of me that's not 100% compatible? Is there something outside of me? Maybe I'm sensing other people's energies or emotions and that's messing up my connection to my intuition? No, so it's something inside of me. Would it be beneficial for me to dowse to find out what it is that's blocking my 100% compatibility with tapping into my intuition via dowsing? Nope, not beneficial. So all I'd simply do is clear my governing vessel meridian, which will clear all of my energy. I've been doing this for, 15 years now at least, or longer. And you can do it by tapping at the governing vessel meridian endpoints, just anywhere under your nose, or as one gentleman told me, he just felt so good tapping up here and such, and it's called a sweet spot. If you find somewhere, even tapping on your face, wherever, your collarbone, that just feels, you feel such a release, then go there. That's where you're supposed to do it. It's your body and your intuition telling you this is where you should release the energy. This is where it's trapped. Or you can go like this, do a crumbling motion. I know. Release all blocks within me to 100% pure connection with my intuition via my dowsing. I let it all go now. And so it is. And again, if you're not at the point of being what you consider a competent or confident dowser, then you don't have to dowse for this information. Just clear it. It only takes 30 seconds? You got 30 seconds for yourself, don't you? You deserve it. And I will dowse and say, please tell me if my dowsing for my intuition connection tap is at 100% or lower. I have permission to do that. My connection to my intuition via my dowsing is now at 0%, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%, 100%. Woohoo! That's how simple it is. You can move that energy and make shift happen. So thanks for watching this tip. Peace out, and best wishes on your path to the most remarkable skill that you may ever have, dowsing. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.